Okay, so it's time for you to go into WeVideo. So from here, you're going to click on this and you can type in WeVideo and it should pull up this first one. And once you get in, if you've already like created an account and everything like myself, it should take you to this area. If you haven't, just click on create account with Google, with your Google account, and just go through the different prompts for that. Okay, so now here I'm going to create a video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to import images. And if you're on your Chromebook or on a laptop or whatever, you just click on this. You can select stuff off of your computer or laptop, or you can go directly to Google Drive. So I'm going to go to Google Drive, and from here, I'm going to select some photos and go back to import, and again, Google Drive, and look for another photo. Let's do this one. Okay, so now I'm going to have two photos that are uploaded. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag this to video one. I do this because it's chronological, I guess. And in order to get this to stay on screen for longer, like if I hover over this, like if I click on it, maybe, let's see. It should show me how long it's on. Yeah, it's only on screen for 4 seconds and 15 milliseconds. Or no, that's the playhead, but it's about 5 seconds of it being on screen. So in order to lengthen that, I'm going to hover over the image and see when I get this double arrow, click and drag to however long you want it for. So I want it on there for 15 seconds. Okay, so my other one, I'm going to click and drag and drop it next to it and do the same thing, hover over it for the double arrow and click and drag until I get it as long as I want. And so now I have two images on there. If I drag the playhead back to where the transition happens and play it, I can watch it right here on screen. So there, it just goes from one to the other. However, I would like a better transition. So I'm going to click on transitions right up here. And you have the options of all of these different transitions to go through. But stick with the standard ones. These are ones you don't have to pay for. If you go into additional, it's ones that you would have to pay for. And unless you really want that transition and you got the money for it, I would just stick to these regular ones. And also because we are doing a storybook class, I'm going to look for the page curl. So I'm going to click on that, drag it down. So hold down the trackpad and then drag this down with 2 fingers and drop it right there. And if I take the playhead and drag it back right here, I can play it and you can watch the transition. There's my page curl. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to do the page curl. You can try something else, but that works the best, I think, for me and, doing this storybook class. So when that is finished, I want you to click on Finish and then type in here page turn, or you can call it whatever you want. So I'm going to do WeVideoTransitions and then my last name, Zhang, so that when I submit it, it can be graded under my name. Okay, set. So you have the option to export as a video, audio only, or as a GIF, or a GIF, sorry. And I would just go with video. And then destination should be Google Drive. When you click on Google Drive, it will automatically create a WeVideo folder for you, and then you can export it. Okay, so fast forward. I've already done this for you, and you're gonna go scrolling down until you find your WeVideo folder somewhere. There it is. WeVideo folder, click on that, and you can see the assignments that I've already done. And once it is uploaded, you should get an email here that in your email account that your video is ready to be previewed or whatever. And then you can play the video if you want to. Otherwise, go back to your Google Drive, and you need to share this with me. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and you're going to go to this person with a plus, and you're going to be able to share it with me. Make sure the link is viewable to anyone with the link. Anyone on the internet with this link can view. If you have it restricted to restricted or to just North Thurston accounts, then it limits people from seeing it. So I'm just going to go with anyone with a link. Yeah, if you click on this, it'll give you options to restrict or whatever. Don't do that. Make sure it's anyone with a link. Otherwise, I won't be able to see it. And then copy the link. And then go into your email, or not go into your email. You're going to go into your assignment. And let me get into student view. Somewhere here, you're going to get into student view. Or you're already in student view. I'm not. So again, go back into modules, go all the way down to get to know WeVideo, which is not here, but you're going to submit it. Okay, so I fixed it, and you would just click on Submit Assignment, and when you do that, you can choose either a file upload. I would just go with a website URL and click on, I think I can do this. Just kind of paste that in there, maybe, and then submit the assignment. And then that's it. It should show up for me to grade. So your other option is, if that doesn't work, you can definitely go into, let's see, let's go into resubmit, and then we can go into text entry, and you can just paste it there and then submit the assignment. So either way, that's fine. But try it out. I hope you get a good transition in and send it to me. All right, thanks.